All right, y'all, we're gonna try out a bigger yellow jacket trap. Seen this one online, so we're gonna see if it actually works. Let's cross our fingers and hope it does, because man, we are surrounded by yellow jackets and I can't get rid of them. So we got a couple little traps already set. Let me show you how we're making this big one and we will find out if it actually works. Okay, y'all, here's what we got here. We're gonna use a tote. I'd like to have a tote about 1/4 this height, same width. I'll look in the house, see if I got one. I'll set it up too if this actually works. And we got just any board will work. And then we have yellow jackets already trying to get into it. We got some chicken liver. That is chicken. Just cut up chicken. It'd be nice if I left it big chunks, but I was gonna cook this and decided not to. So we're gonna use it on this trap. And it seems to be working the best. And we got some thread. I tried to find my fishing line, but I guess we're using thread this time. And let's get this thing started. Okay, y'all, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna lay our board over right here. That's awful big board, but that's okay. Then we're going to take our chicken liver. We already got a yellow jacket in there. Check it out. He's in there. He flew out. Okay, so we're going to put a couple pieces of chicken liver. Keep on saying that. Chicken on here. And we'll get a couple of them in there. We're going to put them all in the center. Fold this back up because that's all we want on that one. That'll be good enough. And what we're going to do is let's rearrange this tab bit and I'll show you what we're going to do. These doggone yellow jackets trying to bite my fingers, I guess, man. Okay, but what we're going to do if we don't get attacked while we're trying to do this, our thread's messed up. No, not our thread. We'll have to try to get it undone. I see it right there. Let's see if we can get it. I might have to find something else, y'all. I don't know. There we go. I got it. Look, they're already eating it. Look at them buggers go. Okay, get out of my way. So we're going to put all that in the center. Look, we already got 2 of them. Let's, here, scoot over, bud. Scoot over. Get out of my way, man. We'll probably have a couple pieces drop in there. But we're going to double them up right there. Put 2 apiece. And we're just going to take this. We'll tie it off here in a little bit. But we're just going to take that and make a mess. I'm probably going to tie it. Would be funny if they bit it in 2, wouldn't it? So we're just going to tie this on here. Buddy, he is chowing down, ain't he? Definitely need a fishing line, man. That would have worked way better. I can't even tie this, y'all. It's sticking to my fingers. But we're just going to tie it up like that. As you see, it's attracting them real good. For some reason this year, it is definitely the chicken that is doing it. Raw chicken. So we're just going to wrap this and keep on going. Hopefully we don't run out of thread. We got 3 yellow jackets on there already, but that ain't where we want them, is it? So we will keep on wrapping, This way holds chicken liver in better. If it falls in the water, it falls in the water. No big deal. So we're going to run it back. We're just going to do a couple here and there. And we're going to hit this one more time because I don't think that one was tight enough. Now we got 4 yellow jackets. Check them out. I think we ran out of... No, we didn't. Okay. I will definitely do fishing line next time. Well, I don't know. The thread kind of helps stick real good, so I can't really say that. All right, we're going to tie this off, y'all. Don't worry, we'll edit this. Y'all ain't got to watch the whole thing, I don't think. It's neat watching the yellow jackets fly up there, though, ain't it? So this should definitely work. All right, now the next thing we're doing is we're going to take it and we're going to flip this upside down. We got to find a good spot, level ground for it. Should be right there. Okay, so we got all that there. Now let me get the rest of it. Okay, y'all, now we're going to add water. And in that water, whoops, I done got a yellow jack by accident. I didn't mean to do that. We wasn't ready yet, was we? Now, one very important factor is get you some dishwashing liquid, okay? What that does is that breaks the surface tension on the water. We'll put a little bit in there. We'll add some more here in a minute. I don't even think it's open. Is it open? Yeah, there we go. Don't really want it sudded up or anything, but what they'll do is they'll let the yellow jackets fall down in there, because these things can actually float. And did I not add enough? It don't look like it. I don't even see any bubbles. All right, so let's add a little bit more. We don't really want bubbles, but it will work. All right, so we'll get that full. We're gonna keep it about 1 inch from the chicken. Okay? And what they said does, let me look. See, I got one floating around there, don't we? Okay, and out. Okay. And let me turn this off. I'm watering my grass. What it does is it leaves a limited amount of space for the yellow jackets to take off. So once they find that, they should grab a piece and fall in the water. Woo, I just about inhaled that doggone yellow jacket. Apparently my goofy doggy needs water too, because she was over here drinking the soapy water, so I'm gonna go get her some water. And you stay out of there. Animals, that is, yeah, you got a little issue there. Okay, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all how many yellow jackets is here. It's only been 5 minutes, so I think I only got 2 yellow jackets. One y'all saw fall in, and then another one fell in. But look at all these yellow jackets right here. They're all over the place. Whole bunch of them. So they're smelling it, they just ain't getting up to it. So I'm gonna go try to find a lower to ground tote, one that's only about 4 or 5 inches or something like that, and try this again with another board and see if that might help. I'm assuming it will. Just had another one fall in, y'all see it? Now here's what happens. Well, yeah, it broke the surface on the water, but see how they kind of float a little bit? He fell in, he's done for. We'll see how many we have at the end of the day. Let's check here in another 25 minutes. Okay, y'all, this is what we caught it within 30 minutes. Not the best. What was that, like 4, 12, 13, somewhere around there. So what we did is put on a lower one, because what's been going on is all these yellow jackets are on ground level. So they're having to raise up to smell it. And they're thinking it's on the ground, I guess, where it's chicken or whatever. You know, and I already tried everything else. But either way, we put it on ground level. We're gonna come back in 30 minutes, and I might do that just for the heck of it here in a little bit, because I want some apple juice. And but I have noticed that we already got one, and there's 2 underneath there. There's a third one going underneath there. There is some on the ground. There is no yellow jackets. And that one just got had on the apples. So these suckers are going after me. Get the heck, man! They bite. So I thought they just sting. No, they bite, y'all. Everything. So just be careful out there, y'all. Just got another one here in 30 minutes. Okay, this one's gonna work way better. So it's definitely need a shorter tote, and smaller does help, you know, height wise is what I'm mainly talking about. Takes less water to fill up too, so that's a plus. Okay, y'all, it's been over an hour. I'm gonna show y'all how many yellow jackets we actually got in here. I'm just gonna flip this up, and they're still coming in, but you can see we still got the chicken there. Looks like it dried out a little bit. Might put a little water on there. So we caught a fair amount in this one, so I'm a little bit happy with this one. This one's pretty good. This is probably the best one we got. We're gonna try it out tomorrow too and see how good it actually works. We'll do it on a full trial. It's been an hour on this, okay? So it ain't like everybody says, oh, you're gonna catch thousands within 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, this is probably one of the best traps I've ever set anyways. Well, one of them, both of them. This design right here works real good. So definitely recommend it to y'all. This might be the last day. I'm having a feeling we might set it one more time tomorrow. My dogs got into it last night and took all my chicken. I guess they like nasty food. But but it had a little soap and water in some of it. Now, the only one that has soap and water, well, soap in the water, is the big one right here I'm getting ready to show you. And check this out right here. I ain't even set this trap yet. I just put the chicken on it, and look what's happened. These little boogers couldn't wait no longer. Look at this, whole bunch of them. But we're gonna flip this over upside down, and I think I'm gonna add more water. There, that way y'all know where it is. Put it right there in the center. And, whoops, I accidentally knocked 2 in. That was my fault. My bad, my bad. Nah, well, you can't really see the chicken liver. There wasn't another one fall in there, but I'm gonna add a little more water to it. And maybe about another 1/2 inch to 1 inch. And now we're gonna walk around here. This trap does not work, okay? My dog got into it, and the hole is too big. It's too far down to the bottom whenever you set it. So I didn't reset this one, I just left it. I'm gonna throw this one away here in just a few. So don't do it out of that. I think the clear containers are more along the lines of what you want to do because it acts like a minnow trap. Here's one of the first ones we done. What are you eating, Curry? What are you eating? What are you eating? What is this? Did you find my chicken? You ate a jar fly. Okay, she's eating a jar fly. Go ahead, as long as it ain't my chicken. Okay, anyways. Now here is the one that you all been waiting for. We still got yellow jackets. We caught some more, but check this out. This is neat what they do. Look at this. And we caught a nice hornet. Look at that. Bald-faced hornet, he's still in there. But they've been taking off the chicken. As you see, he'll wind up in the water. And look, as they fly off, look how big of chunks they take off that. And they actually drop it in the water because it's too heavy. They hit the water and drop it and takes them out. There's a lot of little chicken bites. There's some big chicken bites actually. But there's what we got. So this one definitely works real good if you can keep your dogs out of it. Either way, hope y'all enjoyed the video. And we will see you on the next one. We'll see what else we find to do. I don't know. We're bound to find sun, y'all. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day. See you on the next one.